Well, hello there, fellow soil tamers. Welcome back to Soil Books, where we make dirt simple. Today, I'm revealing the ultimate lazy gardener's cheat code, the top 5 ingredients to fix any soil without breaking your back. Now, I know what you're thinking, but I don't have time to be a soil scientist. Well, guess what? You don't need to. Because these 5 magical ingredients will transform your sad, tired dirt into black gold, while you basically sit back and watch. Sound good? Let's dig in. Quick question before we start. What's your biggest soil struggle? Is it concrete like clay, sand that won't hold water, dirt that just won't grow anything? Drop a 1, 2, or 3 in the comments. I read every single one. Here's the beautiful truth. Great soil isn't about backbreaking work. It's about working smarter. These 5 ingredients do all the heavy lifting for you by feeding your plants naturally, improving drainage and water retention, yes, both, attracting beneficial microbes like a soil nightclub. And best of all, they're cheap and easy to find. All right, let's meet your new soil superheroes. 1. Compost, the multivitamin. Look at this beautiful stuff. Instantly adds nutrients and improves texture. Pro lazy tip. Just layer it on top. Let worms mix it in for you. 1. Wood chips, the moisture manager. These aren't just for playgrounds. Keep soil cool and moist in summer. Breaks down slowly to feed your soil long-term. 1. Coffee grounds, the nitrogen kick. My favorite morning ritual, and my plants too. Wakes up tired soil with a nitrogen boost. Bonus, repels slugs and snails. 1. Eggshells, the calcium bomb. Don't trash those breakfast leftovers. Prevents blossom end rot in tomatoes. Grind them up for faster action. 1. Biochar, the secret weapon. This is like cheat codes for soil. Supercharges nutrient retention, works for centuries. The ultimate lazy investment. Here's the best part. You don't even need to dig. Just sprinkle ingredients on top, water lightly. Let nature do the mixing. I call it passive soil improvement, basically gardening while napping. Now for the million-dollar question, which of these lazy ingredients are you most excited to try? Let me know below. And hey, if you've got an even lazier soil tip, share it. We're all about working smarter, not harder here. If this lazy gardener's guide helped you, do me a solid. Hit that like button, subscribe if you haven't, and share with someone who needs easier gardening in their life. Remember, friends, the best gardens grow from good soil and minimal effort. Catch you next time.